I'm going to read an article from Newsella called April's Super Pink Moon will be the brightest full moon of 2020. So it should look like that. I'm on Lexile 420. You can make it harder if you would like, but I'm going to read the 420. A special moon is calling. It is called a super pink moon. The super pink moon will be on April 7th. It is called a supermoon too. It will be the brightest supermoon of 2020. In April, the full moon peaks at 10:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. It is called EDT for short. EDT is the time for the East Coast of the United States. When it is 10 o'clock p.m. on the East Coast, it is 7 p.m. on the West Coast. The West Coast is on Pacific Standard Time. It is called PST for short. This is because different parts of the world are in different time zones. A supermoon comes with a full moon. It happens when the moon is at perigee. Perigee is the closest point in its path around Earth. Learned a new word today. The moon will not be pink. The moon will not be pink. It will be orange starting out. It will get white later. The pink name comes from pink flowers called phlox. They bloom in spring. Supermoons look a little bigger and brighter than a regular full moon. A supermoon might not look very different. The moon seems bigger because of its path around Earth. It is not really a circle. The moon moves around the Earth. It moves in circles. On April 7th, the moon will be closer to Earth. It is still far away though. The word supermoon is not a science name. That name is perigee Cysky. The word supermoon came from Richard Noel. That was in 1979. Jackie Flaherty is a scientist. She works at the American Museum of Natural History. It is in New York. She said the name supermoon was not from science. Mr. Noel used it for when the moon was full and close to Earth, she said. People started using it, she said. Names for a full moon. There are other names for a full moon in April. Some are egg moon and fish moon. One is sprouting grass moon. The names are about spring. The super pink moon is a paschal moon too. It is the first full moon of spring. Easter is on the Sunday after the paschal moon. Easter is April 12th in 2020. April will have other things. On April 3rd, the planet Venus will be near some stars. The stars are called the Seven Sisters. Then a meteor shower will come later in April. NASA is the U.S. space group. It says that a meteor is a space rock. It falls toward Earth. The air glows as the rock flies along.